So I'm incredibly emotional here lately, and there's two reasons why. And I've been trying to write kind of separately about each one of them, and I'm realizing they intersect. So number one is my reactions, thoughts, feelings, processing, absorbing of the IPCC report. It's a lot. It's a lot to take in. Number two is that last week, after 14 years of living in pain every day, chronic pain in my shoulder blade, two healers just 5 minutes from my new house, licensed chiropractors, but they're so much more than that, found the cause of this pain that I've lived with my entire adult life. And this is a moment that I've dreamed about for years, of course. And I've tried so many things to solve this problem, to get to this place. And it's just kind of the universe bringing me here, and probably all the steps I took, right? All the yoga, the meditation, the physical therapy, the mental therapy led me to this place. And now that I'm here, of course, I'm excited. I'm joyful at the idea of being able to heal this pain, but I'm also grieving and overwhelmed and just sad and regretful and, grateful and everything, all of these emotions. And I think about the change maker and sustainability and this idea of achieving a sustainable humanity, getting to a place where we've solved climate change or balanced kind of equity and the economy. And we're giving so much of ourselves to get to that place. We're trying so hard to reach it. And like with my back pain, I think it's taking something away from us. It's taking away our ability to just be at peace and experience what is and where we're at. And that's complicated and unfair, frankly. I don't think it's the job of the change maker to be kind of the martyr for the mistakes of humanity. And are they mistakes? Is this just a part of the way we are meant to experience in the life of kind of humanity on Earth? And is the Earth ready to do a reset? Would it be ready to do it with or without us anyway? We don't know these things, and yet purposeful, kind of purpose-led people are pushing and striving. Every single day, sometimes giving ourselves away for this greater cause. And say we get there, how will we feel when we reach that place, right? I suspect we might feel a little bit like I do with my back. We'll be joyful, excited, and it probably will all have been worth it, because that's kind of how I'm feeling right now too, is I'm grateful for what living in pain has given me, because it's created a lot of compassion, and it has me very in tune with who I am and how to be healthy and all those things. But I've lost a lot too. And so I encourage you all not to take the IPCC report as a reason to just throw yourself into the fire even more, but as a reason to experience how special it is to live life on this planet, and absolutely keep contributing, keep working. But it's my view that the more present we are, the more gratitude we find, the more joy, the more celebration, the better we are at living each day and contributing each day, the more likely we are to actually achieve what it is we're trying to achieve anyway. So in a time where I think we're all very vulnerable and unsure about what all this means and where everything is headed, I just send, a whole lot of love out to you, and really push and lean into patience. Just be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself, be kind to each other, and be kind to others that don't participate in the climate conversations every day, because they may just be better at experiencing life on this planet than we are sometimes. Love you all.